Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure your Netflix account is active and the profile region matches where you expect to watch. Once done, disconnect any VPN and perform a device plus router reboot that clears stale DNS and routing. Then update the Netflix app and device firmware and clear the app cache so corrupted tokens don't persist. These steps remove simple, common causes. They prepare the system for deeper troubleshooting if Netflix still detects a proxy. Now you dig into VPN behavior. You should test multiple servers in the same country because Netflix blocks specific IP ranges. Try 2 or 3 to find a clean one. If your VPN offers obfuscation or stealth mode, enable it to hide VPN fingerprints. Alternatively, force TCP port 443 to mimic HTTPS. Also change DNS to a trusted resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8, or use your VPN's DNS so name lookups don't leak and trigger geodetection. For final fixes, apply advanced routing. Install the VPN on your router or use split tunneling to exclude Netflix traffic from the VPN so region checks pass. If problems persist, contact your VPN provider and request a streaming-optimized or dedicated IP. Providers often rotate or whitelist addresses. As a last, practical fallback, consider a reputable smart DNS service that only changes DNS for geo-unblocking without full tunneling. If you still get the proxy error,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.